If you are like most people, you most possibly find late night TV infomercials very annoying. Most people believe products sold on these ads are worthless. But if you are a niche marketer who is on the lookout for great niche ideas, you would want to think twice before dismissing them so hastily. You see, a lot of these products are developed and marketed by giant corporations that spend millions of dollars to study the market, find niches, and develop products for those markets. So, a lot of very intelligent people have put in a lot of time and energy into those products that are hawked on late night TV. Maybe you can as well pick up an idea or two from their efforts. You do not have to buy any of those products or even believe in any of the outlandish claims. What we are interested in are niche ideas, and you can get them from these ads. Now, let's watch some of these infomercials. Let's do a search on YouTube for TV infomercials. This one looks interesting. Top 10 best infomercial products. Take a look at what these people are selling. Some kind of knives and forks. Could that be a good idea for a niche? Let's head over to Amazon and do a search for kitchen knives. As you can see, there are lots of results. You can possibly build an entire site just around kitchen knives, or even about various kinds of knives. There are so many kinds of knives here. You could even do a site about forks. Let's see if we can get a few more ideas. This one is about chia pets. Could you build a site around that? Let's check with Amazon. This looks like it can be a good candidate as well. You might be able to build a site around chia pets, but we will have to do more research because there are so few results. Fact is, a lot of these infomercials are based on very solid research. Like any other marketer, these guys had to pick a niche and then develop a product. And if they think a particular niche is so valuable that they developed a product and are now spending a lot of money marketing it, chances are you can build a site in the same niche as well.